Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. So in this video I wanted to share my pre-wash day routine. I noticed that my hair is a little bit drier, and also I've been doing a little bit of research, and I noticed that, well, I found out that my hair is high porosity. So what I did, I Google, of course, how do you know if your hair is high porosity? So they say to take one strand of hair and actually you know, go the opposite direction. Take your two fingers and go in the opposite direction. So if you feel that your hair have bumps, then your hair is high porosity. So like I said, my hair is, so that means I need to incorporate more moisture in my routine. So with that being said, I started to incorporate castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, extra dark. I got this from Target. This is the Sunny Isle brand. And then I picked up, there's something in my eye, I picked up some jojoba oil. They say this is also great to add to your routine, especially your shampoo. If you don't feel comfortable switching your shampoo, you could always add the jojoba oil. Also your conditioner, you could add it to your shampoo or your conditioner to hydrate your hair a little bit more. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys my routine, so let's start. So you guys, first up, I'm going to take my hair out. Then I'm going to comb out my hair. As you guys can see how hydrated my hair is. What I've been doing too, I've been spraying my hair with coconut oil every night. When I wrap it, to wrap my hair, I spray it with coconut oil. You know, let me go get the coconut oil. Okay guys, I'm back. So I've been hydrating my hair with coconut oil every night to before I wrap my hair. So I will spray the nourishing coconut oil weightless hydrating oil mist in my hair every night. I noticed since I start doing this, you guys can see I'm almost finished my bottle. I noticed that my hair is much more hydrated, if you guys can see that, and my hair is so much softer. But I've been adding this to my routine as well to wrap my hair, and my hair is so much shinier, healthier, and stronger because coconut oil is, you know, it's pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to comb up my hair, and this is the way I wrap my hair. So that's why my hair look like this. I wrap my hair going this way every night. So I just kind of stay, oops, and my baby hair is going that way. So I just kind of stay this way when I wrap my hair. I just go that way. You know, I spray my hair and then I go that way. But anyways, that's not why we're here today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section my hair. So I'm basically going to share with you guys my pre-wash routine, because tomorrow is wash day. And what I started doing is I started to moisturize my hair before I wash it, which is to seal it with more moisture. So I started using the Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp, and also the jojoba oil on my hair. And then tomorrow I'm going to wash it. And I also added this to my shampoo to add more moisture, of course, to hydrate my hair and strengthen it, because you do need to do that. Once you start chemically processing your hair, you need to keep the protein going. So this oil is great. And also the reason why I use the black castor oil before I wash my hair, because if I use it throughout the week, it's too heavy of an oil because it's really thick. It's a really thick oil. If you could see there, it's very thick. So if I put this in my hair, it weighs my hair down. So I rather put it in my hair the day before I wash, so it doesn't weigh it down, and I could also wash it out. But it's so thick that it'll hydrate your hair enough for you to wash your hair, and it won't affect the weight of it. So I'm going to section my hair. Ow, my roots. That means I need to do my roots. I'm gonna section my hair in 4. So this is 1. This is 2. Then this side. 3. Then of course I'm not gonna do this side because I'm gonna start doing this side. Whoops, I almost dropped that. So I'm gonna basically part my hair and just start applying it to my roots. And I also noticed that my scalp is a whole lot better. It doesn't flake like it usually does. Well, it doesn't flake as much. There's still a little bit, but I do have psoriasis, and this has helped tremendously with my psoriasis. So I'm basically just going through my hair and applying the black castor oil. So now that I finished that side, I'm gonna put this side up. Let's twist. Oops. I couldn't see that one. Then I'm going to, then now the other side. You guys, I noticed that since I started sealing my hair is so much better and it's so much softer, especially my roots, because whenever it's time to relax my hair, my new growth gets so hard to manage. So I noticed that since I started using the castor oil, that it makes my hair a little bit more easier to manage, and it also helps soften my new growth, which is awesome. Let's do that. So now we're gonna do the back. It's the same thing in the back. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see the back because it's hard to see the back. The last time I did a relaxer was in August, after I got my ends clipped. So the next time I might relax my hair, it's probably gonna be in February. I don't relax my hair often. I think I probably relax my hair twice a year, which is good enough. I don't need to do it more than that, but my hairstylist, she said you're supposed to do it more often than that, but my scalp is very sensitive, and if I relax my hair too often, I do get burns. My scalp is irritated no matter what because of my psoriasis. So that side is done. Ah, shoot. Okay, so now we're gonna do the next side. It's so crazy, like this side of my hair is the thickest side. Like my hair is so weird. Like the left side of my hair is thicker than my right side. It is the weirdest thing. So I'm basically rubbing the oil into my scalp. I'm trying to feel because it's hard. Ugh. See, my new growth is, ooh, my natural hair is, boy, that thing is, ooh. My natural hair can be a pain. But since I started moisturizing my hair, it is much softer and easier to manage. So I pretty much finish my hair. So I did that in my scalp. So now, wait, did I do this part? Yeah, I did. Wait, did I do this part? I don't think I did. I probably didn't. I think I probably missed this part. But oh my god, my hair is so soft. So now that that's all done, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use the Jojoba Oil. I'm going to, wait, I always take off this piece in the middle because nothing comes out. So I'm gonna take the Jojoba Oil and basically rub it in my hair. And get my ends as well, if you guys could see. Get my ends. Moisturize those ends. I'm gonna do that on the other side. So if you guys could see how, you see how my hair stopped moving now that I put the castor oil? Because it's so thick and it weighs my hair down. So my hair is much more shinier, if you guys could see there, and softer. But that's it, you guys. I'm not gonna wrap my hair tonight. I did just put my my head wrap in the wash because it is dirty. So I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail, and then I'm going to, after my wrap dries, I'm just going to wrap my hair just to keep it from, you know, pulling and tugging on my sheets. I don't have silk sheets, so I have cotton. So, well, they say if you have high porosity hair that you must dry your hair with cotton, with like a cotton shirt. So I'm learning as I go here. So that was my pre-wash day routine. So tomorrow I will be washing my hair, And I also add the jojoba oil to my my shampoo, because I don't like to switch products because my hair is very sensitive. I don't like to play Russian roulette with my hair because it's very sensitive, so I'm not gonna just go try a product just because. They say the simpler way is just to add some jojoba oil to your shampoo, and that will start adding extra moisture to your hair. So as you guys can see, I am learning more about my hair. I just found out I have high porosity hair, so I do need to incorporate more moisturizing and seal my hair a lot more. I also noticed that since I started using, of course, the coconut oil to wrap my hair at night, my hair is so much healthier, it's stronger, and it's a lot more moisturized. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you were able to get some tips. If you have any questions, you could always comment down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.